Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We got a tune-up report today on the RCI 69 VHP. This is for Joe in California. Okay, Joe, starting with AM on the radio and the power all the way down. It's 10 watts on that top scale up there. See all the way down, there's 2. Gonna bring it to the next scale. 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. There's the 2. And I'll bring the power all the way up. And she goes up to 20. So from 2 to 20. Yeah, at that level. 100 watts across the bottom here. Audio. Yeah, a little over. So let's see how much over. Like a little tiny bit. Okay, now this is 100 watts right there. Put this slug in there. Audio. So maybe 105. No big deal. We'll put the 100 back in. Alright. Now we'll flip it over. We'll take a look at the scope. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2. And on upper side, man. Audio, turn that radio off. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also right at 100. There you have it. I could turn it on the antenna for a moment.
Breaker 19 for radio check.
I hear you, driver. You look sounding good.
I appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much.
Well, I don't need no more, so I'll skip that. Appreciate it.